Hey boys and girls, for this project you will need paper, pencil or marker, crayons or markers. Once you have your supplies, we could go ahead and get started. Alright, so for today we're going to be drawing a parrot. So you're going to go ahead and start off with an eye. And we're going to be drawing circles within circles and coloring in the pupil. And we're going to be drawing just segments of lines to start creating our parrot. And the reason why we're doing a parrot, it is going to be inspired by the Brazilian artist Romero Britto. And the parrot, it is an animal that symbolizes Brazil, and it's a popular parrot. And we're doing the blue macaw. You may see this parrot from the movie Rio, really popular movie. So I thought we'd go ahead and do this animal in the style of Britto. And he is known for his pop art style. Pop art meaning popular art. And so we're going to be doing this bird because it is popular from the culture and also from the country of Brazil. So we're going to go ahead and just connect these lines to complete our feet and finish off the wings. We're adding some curved details onto the feathers or on the wings, so it looks like our parrot is flying and soaring into the sky. Add short dash lines to create texture on the feathers, and don't forget the tail. Now we are done with the parrot. We're going to go ahead and work on the background, and we're just adding segments of triangles all the way around to break up the space, just like how Romero does in his paintings. And he also uses a lot of shape and lines and lots of bright, vivid colors. So in each of my segments, I'm going to go ahead and add a different shape and also a different type of line. So far I did circles, hearts, vertical lines, and then I'm going to go ahead and continue on to the next shape, creating squares to create a pattern that looks similar to like confetti. In the next segment, I'm going ahead and adding curved lines, but I'm keeping them parallel to each other so they're not touching. On the next segment, I'm adding diagonal lines that are just straight lines that are slanted at an angle. Then I'm just adding some stars. The more variety or the more different shapes and lines that you add makes your artwork a little bit more interesting. And then the last one, I'm going to go ahead and use zigzag lines. And what's great about creating all of these patterns and lines and shapes is that you could go ahead and individually color each shape and line a different color, and it'll start to create a pattern. And we're going to be coloring it inspired by Romero Britto's artworks, his pop art style. So I'm just going to be adding some circles on the inside of my parrot, and I'm actually using different shades of blue crayons. I'm using a blue-green crayon for the spots, and I also have cerulean, indigo, and blue, just to show different values of the color blue. And you could get creative if you would like to do a red parrot or a green parrot, whichever you like, but also I want you to think about the different colors or different shades of that one color that you use. The more colors and the more shapes, the more variety, it makes your artwork a little bit more interesting, just like how I stated before. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this up, and you'll see how it looks when it's done.